Hi, I'm Sven Batala. In a business environment where optimizing operational efficiency is pivotal, the integration of AI automation stands out as a transformative approach to advancing IT operational frameworks. In this course, I'll discuss how AI automation can be integrated with IT operations to design AI automation workflows to enhance IT operations efficiency and automate IT tasks and processes effectively. I'll also cover how IT automation can be evaluated and optimized using AI tools and optimized using continuous improvement strategies. And finally, I'll discuss using AI tools to integrate IT operations. Artificial intelligence for IT operations, or AI ops, integrates AI capabilities to automate and enhance various aspects of IT operations. AI operations streamlines and automates routine IT tasks, reducing manual effort and improving efficiency. Basically, by leveraging AI algorithms, it can optimize workflows and resource allocation, leading to smoother operations. Now, a key aspect of AI ops is its ability to collect and analyze vast amounts of data generated by IT systems. Through advanced analytics techniques, it can uncover valuable insights about system performance, usage patterns, and potential issues. AI ops employs machine learning algorithms to predict and detect anomalies in IT environments. In fact, by analyzing historical data and real time metrics, it can anticipate potential issues before they escalate, enabling proactive problem resolution. And by automating repetitive tasks, identifying and resolving issues faster, and optimizing system performance, AI ops contributes to improved service delivery and enhanced customer satisfaction. Now, AI ops includes several key components that are essential for its functionality and effectiveness. AI ops relies on robust big data management capabilities to handle and process large volumes of heterogeneous data from diverse IT sources. And this includes structured and unstructured data, like logs, metrics, events, and videos. Monitoring the performance of IT systems and applications in real time is critical for AI ops. It involves tracking various metrics and KPIs to ensure optimal performance and detect deviations from expected behavior. Anomaly detection algorithms are integral to AI ops for identifying irregular patterns or behaviors within IT environments. In fact, by flagging anomalies, AI ops enables proactive problem detection and mitigation. And AI ops correlates and analyzes events from multiple sources to identify meaningful patterns and relationships. And this helps in understanding the context of IT incidents and prioritizes responses based on their impact. And AI ops integrates with IT service management, or ITSM, to streamline service delivery processes, automate incident resolution, and enhance overall service quality. Now, AI ops integrates AI-driven automation across various aspects of IT operations, offering several key integration points. AI-powered anomaly detection algorithms can identify abnormal behavior in IT systems, while event correlation techniques can help in contextualizing incidents and prioritizing your responses. And AIOps ingests data from many different sources, including logs, metrics, events, and so on, and then applies advanced analytics to derive actionable insights and intelligence. Continuously monitoring performance metrics and analyzing trends means that AIOps can identify areas for optimization and improvement, enhancing overall system performance. And integrating with ITSM platforms, AIOps automates incident management, change management, and other service delivery processes, improving efficiency and reducing manual effort. AIOps also enables automated remediation of IT incidents, reducing the need for manual intervention and minimizing downtime. And by leveraging AI-driven automation, AIOps delivers tangible business benefits like improved operational efficiency, reduced downtime, and enhanced customer satisfaction. And AIOps can be implemented incrementally, allowing organizations to start with specific use cases and then gradually expand its scope and capabilities as needed. Anomaly detection and event correlation are critical components of AIOps that enable proactive issue identification and resolution. For example, AIOps analyzes data from various sources, including network traffic, system logs, and machine telemetry, to identify patterns and anomalies. And using machine learning algorithms, AI ops can identify deviations from normal behavior, signaling potential issues or threats. And by leveraging historical data along with real time metrics, AI ops improves its ability to detect anomalies and predict future incidents. And AI ops can anticipate potential issues based on early warning signs and historical patterns, allowing organizations to take proactive measures to prevent disruptions. And when anomalies are detected, AI ops can conduct root cause analysis to identify the underlying factors that are contributing to the issue. So, at the end of the day, by detecting and resolving issues proactively, AI ops minimizes the impact on operations and helps maintain system reliability and availability. And finally, data ingestion and analysis are fundamental processes in AI ops that enable organizations to derive actionable insights from vast amounts of IT data. AI ops platforms are equipped to ingest, process, and analyze large volumes of data generated by IT systems, applications, and infrastructure. And data sources include logs, metrics, events, configuration data, and external sources like social media and customer feedback. And ensuring data quality and integrity is critical for accurate analysis and decision making. AI ops platforms employ techniques like data validation and cleansing to maintain data integrity. And lastly, by analyzing diverse datasets, AI ops provides deep insights into the health, performance, and security posture of IT environments. And these insights enable organizations to make informed decisions and take proactive actions to address issues and optimize performance. Performance analysis involves various processes that are aimed at understanding and optimizing the performance of IT systems. Performance analysis begins with the collection and analysis of data from diverse sources, including applications, infrastructure components, and user interactions. It includes monitoring and analyzing data related to applications, servers, networks, databases, and other infrastructure elements to identify performance bottlenecks and areas for improvement. A key objective of performance analysis is to identify the underlying factors causing slowdowns or failures in IT systems, enabling a more timely resolution and optimization. Basically, by leveraging real-time monitoring and predictive analytics, performance analysis enables proactive management of IT performance, minimizing disruptions and ensuring optimal user experience. Now, IT service management, or ITSM, includes a set of practices and tools that are aimed at managing and delivering IT services effectively and efficiently. ITSM involves proactive management of IT services, including incident management, problem management, change management, and service level management. In fact, by analyzing historical data and trends, ITSM enables organizations to forecast future capacity requirements and then plan accordingly, ensuring optimal resource utilization and performance. And ITSM focuses on preventing service disruptions by implementing robust incident management processes, proactive monitoring, and risk mitigation strategies. Implementing best practices and standardized processes means that ITSM enhances the reliability and availability of IT systems, reducing downtime and improving overall service quality. And ITSM aims to optimize the efficiency of IT systems and processes through continuous improvement initiatives, automation, and performance monitoring. And of course, automation plays a critical role in streamlining IT operations and improving efficiency. And automation technologies automate routine server management tasks like provisioning, configuration, and patching, reducing manual effort and minimizing the risk of errors. Automation tools also enable the automation of tasks related to operating system deployment, as well as their configuration management and any software updates, and that enhances system stability and security. And network automation simplifies network configuration, monitoring, and troubleshooting, and that enables faster deployment of network services and improves overall network performance. Automation in the cloud automates things like provisioning, scaling, and management of cloud resources, optimizing resource utilization and reducing operational overhead. Automating repetitive tasks means that automation reduces the need for manual intervention, freeing up IT staff to focus on more strategic initiatives and value added activities. And on top of all that, automation improves the speed and accuracy of IT operations by eliminating errors that happen through manual labor. And it also reduces deployment time and ensures consistency across environments. Now, implementing AI ops delivers a wide range of benefits to organizations, enhancing operational efficiency and service quality. AI ops enables proactive monitoring and issue detection, minimizing downtime and service disruptions, thereby ensuring continuous availability of critical IT services. And by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns in that data, AI ops facilitates root cause analysis, helping organizations to understand the underlying factors contributing to IT issues and failures. AIOps also streamlines IT service management processes, as well as automates incident resolution and improves response times, all of which enhances the overall delivery and quality of IT services. And by doing things like minimizing downtime, resolving issues more quickly, and delivering reliable IT services, AI Ops enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty, driving business growth and competitiveness. And automating routine tasks and optimizing IT operations means that AI Ops enables IT teams to focus on more strategic initiatives like digital transformation, innovation, and business alignment. And organizations can adopt AI Ops incrementally, starting with specific use cases and then gradually expanding its scope and capabilities. So you can begin by organizing and consolidating IT data sources to create a unified data repository, ensuring data consistency and accessibility for analysis. Then you can build proficiency in handling and analyzing your large datasets, leveraging data analytics tools and techniques to derive actionable insights and intelligence. After that, we can gradually integrate additional data sources like logs, metrics, events, and external data feeds to enrich the analysis and broaden the scope of AI ops. And then lastly, as organizations gain experience and confidence with AI ops, they can expand its capabilities to cover more use cases and then scale their IT operations to meet evolving business needs and challenges. Integrating AI with IT operations, or AI ops, brings forth several advantages that are aimed at improving operational efficiency and reducing downtime. AI ops harnesses AI-driven automation workflows to streamline IT operations, automate routine tasks, and optimize resource allocation. Then, by automating repetitive tasks and optimizing workflows, AI ops can enhance operational efficiency, allowing IT teams to focus on strategic initiatives and value-added activities. And a key benefit of AI ops is its ability to proactively detect and address issues before they escalate, minimizing downtime and ensuring continuous availability of IT services. And through predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms, AIOps anticipates potential issues and bottlenecks and enables proactive problem resolution and mitigating risks. Now, AI automation workflows in IT operations include various components and processes that are all aimed at optimizing IT performance and reliability. AI automation workflows leverage machine learning algorithms, advanced analytics, and intelligent automation to automate routine tasks, to optimize workflows, and to improve decision making. And by analyzing IT processes and workflows, AI automation identifies opportunities for optimization, streamlines workflows, and then improves overall process efficiency. AI automation workflows enable proactive incident and service management through real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, and automated incident responses. And AI automation workflows enable organizations to shift from reactive to proactive IT management, anticipating and addressing issues before they impact operations. And on top of all that, by automating routine tasks and implementing proactive monitoring, AI automation reduces the need for manual intervention and improves response times to IT incidents and service requests. Now, several key components constitute AI automation workflows, enabling organizations to automate and optimize IT operations effectively. AI automation workflows aggregate and analyze data from various sources, including logs and metrics and events, and even external feeds. All of that is then used to derive actionable insights and intelligence. And leveraging machine learning algorithms means that AI automation workflows can identify patterns and anomalies within IT environments, enabling proactive issue detection and resolution. And AI automation workflows automate incident response and remediation processes, enabling organizations to address issues quickly and minimize downtime. And AI automation workflows continuously learn from historical data and feedback, adapting to changing IT environments and improving their effectiveness over time. And AI automation workflows play a really important role in transforming customer support centers, improving efficiency, and enhancing customer satisfaction in general. AI-powered chatbots handle routine customer inquiries and support requests, providing quick and accurate responses around the clock. And AI chatbots can continuously learn from those customer interactions, improving their accuracy and effectiveness over time. And by analyzing customer interactions and feedback, AI systems can gauge customer sentiment and then identify areas for improvement in service delivery. Meanwhile, in the manufacturing sector, AI automation workflows optimize operations, they improve efficiency, and they reduce downtime. AI-driven predictive maintenance algorithms can analyze equipment data to predict potential failures and then schedule maintenance proactively. And predicting maintenance requirements means that AI automation workflows ensure that maintenance activities are scheduled only when necessary, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. And proactive maintenance and timely interventions minimize downtime. They extend the life of the equipment, and then they optimize manufacturing operations. And AI-driven robots can automate repetitive tasks on assembly lines, increasing productivity and ensuring consistent quality. And of course, AI automation workflows can optimize the supply chain process, including things like inventory management, demand forecasting, and logistics, improving efficiency and reducing costs. Then we get to the healthcare sector. In the healthcare sector, AI automation workflows can improve patient care, they can optimize operations, they can even enhance clinical outcomes. AI-driven triage systems assess patient inquiries and symptoms online, prioritizing cases based on urgency and severity. And AI automation workflows can optimize appointment scheduling based on patient needs, ensuring timely access to healthcare services. And by prioritizing those critical cases, AI automation workflows ensure that patients with urgent medical needs receive immediate attention and care. And AI-driven monitoring systems can track patient health in real time, enabling early detection of health issues and timely intervention. And at the end of the day, by analyzing patient data and trends, AI automation workflows can alert healthcare providers to potential health issues, enabling proactive interventions and improved patient outcomes. Next, we have the finance and banking sector. In that sector, AI automation workflows enhance security, they improve operational efficiency, and they mitigate risks. AI-driven fraud detection systems analyze transaction data to identify suspicious patterns and behaviors, enabling timely detection and prevention of fraudulent activities. And AI automation workflows can analyze transaction patterns and behaviors to detect anomalies and potential fraud, reducing financial losses and mitigating risks. And by automating fraud detection and risk management processes, AI automation workflows reduce the incidence of financial losses and protect against fraudulent activities. And lastly, AI automation workflows streamline loan processing workflows, reducing processing times and improving efficiency, as well as enhancing the customer experience. The trend towards no-code AI workflow solutions signifies a significant shift in the accessibility of AI, making it available to non-technical staff and democratizing its usage. No-code AI workflow solutions leverage graphical user interfaces, or GUIs, to empower individuals without programming expertise to be able to create and manage their own AI workflows. And this accessibility reduces the barrier to entry for AI adoption within organizations. And GUIs streamline the process of designing and overseeing AI workflows, allowing users to visually construct, modify, and then monitor the flow of data and processes within AI systems. And this approach enhances efficiency and facilitates collaboration among diverse teams. And by enabling non-technical users to design and implement AI workflows, organizations can expedite the integration of AI into diverse business operations. And this acceleration enhances agility, innovation, and competitiveness in rapidly evolving markets. Now, designing effective AI automation workflows for IT operations requires a strategic approach that focuses on optimizing processes, ensuring data integrity, and enhancing user experience. Successful AI automation initiatives begin with a thorough assessment of IT operations to identify processes that are ripe for automation. And this involves analyzing workflows, evaluating repetitive tasks, and prioritizing areas with high potential for efficiency gains. And to maximize the impact of AI automation, it's essential to seamlessly integrate AI workflows into existing IT systems and infrastructure. And this integration facilitates data exchange, it reduces duplication of efforts, and it ensures compatibility with established processes. And data quality is, of course, important in AI automation, as inaccuracies or inconsistencies can lead to erroneous conclusions and decisions. Implementing robust data governance practices ensures that data used in AI workflows is accurate, reliable, and accessible to relevant stakeholders. And it's important to set clear objectives and measurable metrics. Those are important for guiding the design and implementation of AI automation workflows. Establishing specific goals allows organizations to track progress, to evaluate performance, and to demonstrate the value of automation initiatives. And effective AI automation workflows prioritize the user experience to promote adoption and minimize resistance to change. Providing comprehensive training and support empowers users to leverage AI tools effectively, promoting a culture of innovation and continuous improvement. Now, while AI automation offers significant benefits, organizations need to address several challenges and adhere to best practices to maximize success and mitigate risks. Protecting sensitive data and ensuring compliance with regulations are critical considerations in AI automation. Implementing robust security measures like encryption and access controls helps to safeguard data privacy and mitigate the risk of unauthorized access or breaches. And scalability is essential to accommodate growing data volumes, user demands, and evolving business requirements. Designing AI automation workflows with scalability in mind enables organizations to adapt to changing needs and effectively handle increased workload without sacrificing performance or reliability. And monitoring AI automation workflows on an ongoing basis is really important to identify anomalies, performance bottlenecks, or emerging issues quickly. Continuous optimization ensures that workflows remain effective, efficient, and aligned with organizational objectives over time. And engaging stakeholders across departments and levels of the organization is critical for the success of AI automation initiatives. Involving stakeholders from the outset promotes buy-in. It also promotes collaboration, and it ensures that automation efforts align with business priorities and objectives. Advanced AI operations leverages AI automation workflows to enhance efficiency, to enable predictive maintenance, and to optimize IT infrastructure management. AI automation workflows streamline IT operations. They reduce manual effort, and they enhance productivity by automating repetitive tasks, accelerate decision-making, and optimize resource allocation. Basically, by analyzing historical data and identifying patterns and detecting anomalies, AI automation enables predictive maintenance. It minimizes downtime and it prevents potential failures before they occur. And this proactive approach improves asset reliability, it extends equipment lifespan, and it reduces maintenance costs. And AI automation workflows continuously evolve and adapt to changing environments, technologies, and business needs. Machine learning algorithms enable AI systems to learn from experience, refine predictions, and incorporate new data to improve accuracy and effectiveness over time. And lastly, by automating incident detection, diagnosis, and resolution, AI automation workflows can enhance the responsiveness of IT infrastructure, minimize downtime, optimize performance, and improve overall user experience. Now, the trend towards no-code AI workflow solutions and the design of AI automation workflows for IT operations presents significant opportunities for organizations to improve efficiency, agility, and competitiveness. AI automation workflows leverage AI-driven automated actions to streamline business processes and optimize routine tasks and enhance efficiency while minimizing human error. AI-driven automated actions employ machine learning algorithms and decision-making logic to execute tasks autonomously based on predefined criteria and patterns. AI automation workflows are designed to orchestrate and execute specific business processes like data processing, customer service interactions, or inventory management from start to finish. And automating repetitive and predictable tasks means that AI automation workflows free up human resources to focus on higher value activities, and that can lead to increased productivity and operational efficiency. The use of AI automation reduces the likelihood of errors caused by manual intervention, resulting in more consistent and accurate outcomes across business operations. The development of AI automation workflows involves a series of steps that are all aimed at leveraging existing processes, selecting appropriate tools, designing effective workflows, integrating AI capabilities, testing, refining, and continuous improvement. So the first step is to begin by analyzing and understanding the existing workflow to identify opportunities for automation and improvement. Then we can select an AI automation tool that aligns with the organization's needs, considering factors like user friendliness, adaptability, complexity, and integration capabilities. Then we can map out the desired workflow, ensuring that each step is clearly defined, sequenced logically, and aligned with business objectives. And then we can incorporate AI capabilities into the workflow to automate tasks, make data-driven decisions, and enhance processes efficiently. And then we can thoroughly test the AI automation workflow to identify any issues or inefficiencies, as well as refine the design as needed and ensure seamless execution. Then, finally, we monitor the performance metrics, we gather feedback from stakeholders, and iteratively improve the AI automation workflow to adapt to changing business needs and technological advancements. Now, understanding and documenting the current workflow is a critical initial step in AI automation workflow development, enabling organizations to identify tasks, decision points, roles, and sequences within existing processes. Basically, organizations conduct a comprehensive analysis of the current workflow, documenting each step, input, output, and decision point to gain a clear understanding of the process. Then we can identify and document individual tasks performed within the workflow, including their dependencies, their requirements, and their outputs. And after that, we can determine the sequential order in which tasks are performed within the workflow to ensure logical flow and continuity. And then we can identify decision points within the workflow where specific actions or paths are determined based on predefined criteria or conditions. And then finally, we document the roles and responsibilities of team members that are involved in executing the various tasks within the workflow to ensure clarity and accountability. But selecting the appropriate AI automation tool is critical to the success of AI automation workflow development, and it considers factors like user friendliness, adaptability, complexity, and integration capabilities. Now, you need to choose an AI automation tool that offers an intuitive interface and user-friendly features to facilitate ease of use and adoption by non-technical users. You also need to select a tool that's adaptable to diverse business requirements, allowing for customization, scalability, and integration with existing systems and workflows. And of course, we need to consider the complexity of the tasks and processes to be automated and then choose a tool that can handle the required level of sophistication and decision-making logic. And of course, the aim is seamless integration. You need to ensure that the chosen AI automation tool seamlessly integrates with other software applications, data sources, and IT infrastructure to enable smooth workflow execution and data exchange. And finally, the design and implementation of AI automated workflows involves mapping current operations into the chosen automation tool, replicating tasks, decision points, and alternative paths to ensure seamless execution. Organizations need to translate the documented current workflow into the selected AI automation tool, ensuring that all the tasks, dependencies, and decision points are accurately represented. Then we can verify that each task identified in the current workflow is replicated within the automation tool, with clear instructions, inputs, outputs, and triggers. And then we can replicate the decision points with automation tools. We can incorporate logic, we can incorporate conditions, and even criteria for determining the next course of action or path. And lastly, we can account for potential alternative paths or exceptions within the workflow and ensure that the automation tool can handle deviations and adapt accordingly to maintain process integrity and efficiency. The integration of AI components involves training AI models, automating tasks, analyzing data, providing insights, and defining workflow objectives to achieve desired outcomes efficiently and effectively. Now, training AI models involves feeding them with data to learn patterns, to make predictions, or to perform specific tasks, enabling them to perform autonomously with minimal human intervention, ideally, in fact, no human intervention. Automating tasks with AI streamlines repetitive processes. It reduces manual effort and it accelerates task completion by leveraging algorithms to execute actions based on predefined criteria or conditions. And AI also enables organizations to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, extracting valuable insights, identifying patterns and trends and anomalies, as well as informing data-driven decision-making. In fact, by processing and interpreting data, AI systems generate actionable insights, enabling organizations to gain a deeper understanding of their operations, their customers, their markets, and even their competitors. And that can help inform strategic planning and optimization. And on top of that, clearly defining workflow objectives ensures alignment with business goals, establishes success criteria, and guides the design and implementation of AI automation workflows to deliver desired outcomes effectively. Now, testing and refining the workflow is, of course, super important to ensure its effectiveness, its reliability, and alignment with business objectives. You need to design the AI automation workflow based on defined objectives, incorporating AI components, tasks, decision points, and data inputs and outputs. And to the shock of absolutely no one, you need to thoroughly test the AI automation workflow in a controlled environment to identify any issues, errors, or inefficiencies, ensuring that it functions as intended and meets whatever performance criteria the organization or the users have. And then we can iteratively refine the workflow based on testing results and feedback, addressing identified issues, optimizing processes, and enhancing performance to improve overall effectiveness and efficiency. So basically, the idea is to make it work, then make it right, then you can make it fast. Now, continual improvement and adaptation are essential to ensure that AI automation workflows remain effective, efficient, and aligned with evolving business needs and objectives. Organizations need to regularly update and refine AI automation workflows to incorporate new technologies, best practices, and feedback, optimizing performance and addressing changing requirements. They also need to ensure that AI automation workflows remain effective and relevant by regularly assessing their impact, their relevance, and alignment with business goals, making adjustments as needed to maintain their value and their utility. And of course, organizations need to promote a culture of continuous improvement within the entire organization, and they can encourage stakeholders to contribute ideas, provide feedback, and suggest enhancements to AI automation workflows to drive innovation and excellence. And organizations should also adapt AI automation workflows to suit evolving business needs, as well as market conditions and regulatory requirements, and even technological advancements. All of that can ensure that they remain responsive, adaptive, and resilient in dynamic environments. And another continual improvement strategy is to strive to optimize AI automation workflows for efficiency and effectiveness, minimizing resource consumption, reducing waste, and maximizing value creation to achieve sustainable business outcomes. AI automation has a profound impact on organizational efficiency, accuracy, and performance, enabling streamlined processes, reducing errors, and increasing efficiency. AI automation streamlines complex and time consuming processes, eliminating bottlenecks, redundancies, and inefficiencies to improve operational agility and responsiveness. And by automating repetitive tasks and decision making processes, AI reduces the risk of human errors, inconsistencies, and oversights, enhancing accuracy, reliability, and compliance. And on top of that, AI automation accelerates task execution. It minimizes manual effort and it optimizes resource allocation, resulting in higher productivity, faster time to market, and improved customer satisfaction. And finally, achieving effective AI automation requires understanding existing workflows, selecting the right tools, designing and implementing carefully, testing on an ongoing basis, and continuously improving. Organizations need to gain a thorough understanding of existing processes, tasks, and dependencies, and pain points to identify opportunities for automation and optimization. Also, need to choose AI automation tools and technologies that align with business requirements, user needs, and technical capabilities, considering factors like functionality, scalability, and integration capabilities. And organizations need to design AI automation workflows with clear objectives, logical flows, and robust architecture, ensuring alignment with business goals and user expectations. And of course, we need to continuously test AI automation workflows to validate functionality, performance, and usability, identifying and addressing any issues or deficiencies quickly. And lastly, organizations should embrace a culture of continuous improvement. They need to solicit feedback, monitor performance metrics, and iteratively refine AI automation workflows to enhance effectiveness, efficiency, and value delivery. In this demo, we're going to demonstrate some available AI workflow automation software. Specifically, we're going to demonstrate the tool called Make. And Make is up on my screen right now. To get an account with Make is actually free. All you need to do is provide a Google account or some other account of that nature, and you'll get a free account with Make. And you can see in the middle of my screen that there's a subscription that says I have a free plan that gives me a certain number of operations per month for no price at all. However, if I do want more operations than this, if my organization ends up being very busy using AI, then I can increase the plan simply through a simple upgrade, and then there will be a cost component to it. However, let's take a look at Make and the types of tools that it provides for us. Now, along the left-hand side of the screen, we can see various aspects of what makes Make a good tool to use for workflow automation. Along the side, we can see the organization option, which is the main screen that I'm seeing right now. And this screen gives us a good overview of everything that's going on. How many scenarios I have, how many operations I have, data transfer speeds, and so on, as well as we just looked at the current plan that I'm using. And if we scroll down, we can see the various operations that we can do as a quick start, and we'll get to that in a second. Along the top of the screen, and as well as on the left of the screen, there's various other options that we can click on. So let's go ahead and click on Scenarios. Perfect. Now, the Scenarios section shows all of the workflows that I have configured in Make. And with Make, you can create all kinds of other workflows. And these workflows use AI to perform various tasks and actions based on whatever criteria you might need. Now, what are those criteria? Well, to find that out, let's go ahead and click on Templates. Perfect. Now, the templates section shows all of the various actions that are built into Make. Now, you can customize these and do just about anything that you want, but these templates give us an idea of all the various actions that you can perform when using Make. So, as you can see on the screen, we can create Google Calendar events when Trello events happen. We can automatically upload email attachments to an FTP server. And as we scroll down, we can see more and more options. We can have Facebook pages post to other Facebook pages. We can use Android and Google Sheets. And if we scroll down, we can see linkages to ClickUp and Telegram. We can interact with JSON and Google Calendar, and on and on and on. And these are just the public templates. You can create your own templates, or you can import other templates. Next, let's go ahead and click on Connections. Perfect. Now, connections are about connecting Make to other applications. And in fact, you can see a description of connections right in the middle of the screen. The idea is that there are third-party apps out there that you may want to integrate with. You saw when we were looking at templates that we could connect to Google and Google Calendar and Telegram and all those types of apps. But if there are other apps that we want to connect to collect information from or post information to, we can connect them here and then we can use them as part of an AI workflow. Next, let's click on the More option. And then let's click on Devices. Perfect. Now in the Devices section, we can add devices to Make so that you can access Make workflows from the device and vice versa. You can have Make access your device. And this can be very useful for IoT type of workflows. Next, let's go ahead and go over the menu and then click on the Resource Hub. Perfect. Now, the Resource Hub is a method for you to learn about Make and how it works. And most workflow automation software will include documentation. Some will be built in, some will be other websites, but it's always a good idea to peruse that documentation to get familiar with the terminology and the capabilities of the AI automation workflow software that you choose. In the case of Make, we can see some key concepts at the top of the screen, and as we scroll down, we can see some recommended templates that they advise that you use to get yourself familiar with how the system works. And remember, if you're going to use a template that connects to other systems, you're going to need to connect to those systems. It's going to need to know how to talk to Facebook, how to talk to Google, how to talk to Notion, or whatever type of system you're trying to connect to. Next, let's go back to the menu and then click on What's New. Now, in the world of AI, we know that things are changing all the time. And because AI itself is changing all the time, of course, the tools that wrap themselves around AI are also going to be changing all the time. So it's a good idea to keep up to date with the various changes that are happening. In the case of Make, they have a What's New item right on their website that allows you to see the new apps and modules and updates that maybe have been made to Make itself. You can see new templates, you can see new stories, you can see more documentation, and on and on and on. Next, let's click on Help. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and click on the Help sub-item. Excellent. Now, in the event that you're having troubles with Make or you just want some additional documentation, you can use the Help site to get additional detailed information. When we were looking at the other page, we could see some high-level updates about the system. But if we want to go and get documentation about how it works in a detailed sense, you can go to the Help site and get additional information that way. So there you have it. In this demo, we took a look at AI automation software. Specifically, we looked at Make and all the features that are within that software. Great job! The integration of AI automation into IT operations represents a transformative shift in business technology. The integration of AI automation into IT operations is redefining business technology. Scalability and reliability are key for competitive advantage. And on top of that, the infusion of AI automation into IT operations marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of business technology, heralding in a new era of efficiency and agility. And scalability and reliability serve as the cornerstone of IT operations, providing the bedrock upon which organizations can build their competitive edge amidst an increasing dynamic marketplace. Now, AI automation empowers IT operations to seamlessly manage surges in workload volume, ensuring that organizations can adapt quickly to changing demands without sacrificing performance or efficiency. In fact, by automating routine and mundane tasks, AI driven systems free up valuable human resources to focus on more strategic initiatives, driving innovation and growth within the organization. And from software updates to network optimization, AI automation streamlines system management processes, enhancing operational efficiency and minimizing the risk of human error. And with the ability to scale alongside the organization's growth trajectory, AI driven IT operations provide flexible and agile infrastructure that can readily adapt to evolving business needs. And through the adoption of labor intensive processes, AI driven IT operations enable organizations to achieve greater operational efficiency while simultaneously reducing costs that are associated with manual labor. AI automation also streamlines IT workflows, simplifying complex processes and eliminating unnecessary bottlenecks to enhance overall operational efficiency. And by automating routine tasks like software updates and data backups, AI driven systems can reduce the burden on IT personnel, allowing them to focus their efforts on more strategic endeavors. And the implementation of AI automation leads to a marked increase in operational efficiency, enabling organizations to accomplish more with fewer resources and in less time. Now, despite the complexity of modern IT environments, AI automation ensures that operations run smoothly and seamlessly, minimizing disruptions and maximizing productivity. Minimizing human intervention and standardizing processes means that AI driven IT operations significantly reduce the risk of errors and downtime, enhancing overall system reliability and stability. Leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, predictive analytics enable IT teams to anticipate and preemptively address potential issues before they escalate into critical problems. And identifying and mitigating potential sources of system downtime in advance means that predictive analytics can help organizations to maintain high levels of system availability and reliability. And through the use of predictive analytics, organizations can ensure consistent and reliable IT operations, minimizing disruptions and delivering a superior user experience. In fact, by analyzing historical data and patterns, predictive analytics can enable organizations to forecast future trends and demands, empowering them to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. And on top of all that, armed with predictive insights, organizations can proactively scale their IT operations to meet growing demands and capitalize on emerging opportunities, ensuring continued success and competitiveness. Now, as customer inquiries continue to surge, organizations need to leverage AI driven solutions to scale their customer support operations efficiently and effectively. Now, despite the increasing volume of inquiries, AI driven customer support systems enable organizations to maintain high levels of service quality, ensuring customer satisfaction and retention. And by providing timely and personalized supports, AI driven customer support systems enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty, driving long term business success and growth. Next, let's talk about data driven decision making for IT operations. Now, by harnessing the power of data analytics, organizations can gain valuable insights into their IT operations, enabling them to make data driven decisions that drive business success and innovation. And armed with actionable insights, IT teams can optimize systems and processes to improve efficiency, reliability, and performance, ensuring that the organization remains competitive in today's fast paced digital landscape. And lastly, through data driven decision making, organizations can enhance both the scalability and reliability of their IT operations, laying the foundation for sustainable growth and success. Now, at the end of the day, the integration of AI automation into IT operations represents a paradigm shift in business technology, offering unparalleled scalability and reliability. In fact, by leveraging AI driven solutions, organizations can streamline their operations. They can enhance efficiency and drive innovation, positioning themselves for long term success in an increasingly competitive marketplace. Optimizing the supply chain involves improving various aspects to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Streamlining transportation processes to reduce delivery times and improve customer satisfaction is really important. We also need to minimize holding costs while ensuring adequate stock levels to meet demands and avoid stockouts. And supplier performance is important too. That means evaluating and improving the performance of suppliers to enhance reliability and quality of inputs. And of course, building a supply chain infrastructure that can adapt and expand seamlessly to accommodate growth and fluctuations in demand is equally important. And AI operations can help with the majority of that. Now, efficiently allocating resources is critical for scaling operations while maintaining performance and reliability. Adjusting resource allocation dynamically in response to changing demand patterns to prioritize efficiency and cost effectiveness is going to be important. AI operations can also help with leveraging adaptive resource allocation strategies to ensure consistent performance and user experience under varying workload conditions. Another thing that organizations can do is scale resources and infrastructure in line with business growth to support increased operational demands without sacrificing performance or reliability. And AI operations can help with implementing proactive monitoring and optimization measures to prevent performance degradation or service disruptions at operation scale. Next comes risk management and compliance. Now, identifying and mitigating risks while ensuring compliance with regulations are, of course, essential for sustainable operations. And just because you're using AI doesn't mean that you can get away with not doing those things. Organizations need to proactively identify potential risks and implement measures to mitigate them to prevent disruptions and minimize negative impacts. Organizations also need to implement robust cybersecurity measures to protect against data breaches, cyber attacks, and other security threats. It's also important to ensure adherence to relevant regulations and industry standards to avoid penalties, legal consequences, and reputational damage. And another aspect of avoiding risk is to implement continuous monitoring and surveillance systems to detect and respond to emerging risks and compliance issues in real time. Now, automating quality assurance processes helps to ensure products and services meet high quality standards and efficiency. Now, what we need to do is leverage automation to analyze outputs and identify defects or anomalies quickly and accurately. We also need to implement automated inspection and testing procedures to detect and flag defects or deviations from quality standards. And of course, we need to enforce adherence to established quality standards and specifications through automated quality control measures. Now, successful implementation of AI automation requires careful planning and execution across various stages. And that means conducting a thorough assessment to identify processes and tasks that can benefit from automation based on criteria like complexity, frequency, and potential impact. It's also important to gain a deep understanding of existing workflows, dependencies, and pain points to inform the design and implementation of automated solutions. And you need to select appropriate AI and automation tools and technologies that align with business goals, technical requirements, and budget constraints. And organizations need to establish data governance processes and mechanisms to ensure the accuracy, reliability, and security of data used in automated processes. And of course, we should implement and monitor performance measurement mechanisms to track the effectiveness and efficiency of automated solutions and identify areas for improvement. Organizations also need to offer training and support to employees to ensure that they have the necessary skills and knowledge to use and maintain the automated systems effectively. Another thing organizations need to do is continuously refine and optimize automated processes based on feedback, performance data, and changing business requirements to drive continuous improvement and innovation. Now, the future of IT operations will be shaped by the continued evolution and integration of AI automation technologies. AI automation will continue to revolutionize IT operations, driving efficiency, agility, and innovation across various domains and industries. Advances in AI and machine learning will enable more sophisticated predictive analytics capabilities, allowing organizations to anticipate and preemptively address operational challenges and opportunities. And AI automation will become increasingly integrated into system management processes, providing intelligent insights and recommendations for optimizing performance, reliability, and security. And AI powered cybersecurity solutions will play a critical role in defending against increasingly sophisticated cyber threats, automating threat detection, response, and remediation processes. And finally, AI automation offers lots of transformative benefits for organizations across different functions and departments. Streamlining repetitive and time consuming tasks through automation frees up human resources for more strategic and value added activities. Harnessing AI powered analytics and machine learning algorithms can enable organizations to gain predictive insights into future trends, behaviors, and outcomes. AI automation also optimizes resource allocation, utilization, and efficiency, helping organizations to maximize productivity and cost effectiveness. And by improving operational efficiency, agility, and scalability, AI automation supports business growth initiatives and facilitates expansion into new markets and opportunities. And lastly, AI automation enables organizations to adapt and evolve in response to changing market dynamics, customer preferences, and technological advancements, ensuring long term visibility, viability, and competitiveness. AI automation in IT operations is pivotal for enhancing organizational performance and efficiency, and it signifies a transformative shift in the management of IT operations, unlocking new opportunities for growth and improvement. AI automation stands as a foundational strategy in modernizing IT operations, driving efficiency across the entire organization. Leveraging AI technologies means that businesses can optimize resource allocation, streamline processes, and ultimately enhance overall performance. The integration of AI into IT operations represents a fundamental shift from traditional reactive approaches to more proactive, data driven methodologies. And embracing AI automation opens doors to a myriad of opportunities for organizational growth and improvement. From optimizing resource allocation to enhancing customer experiences, the adoption of AI in IT operations paves the way for innovation, scalability, and sustained competitiveness. AI workflow automation revolutionizes IT operations by automating various tasks, processes, and workflows, thereby driving efficiency and productivity gains. AI workflow automation streamlines repetitive tasks, ranging from routine maintenance activities to complex deployment processes. Basically, by automating these tasks, organizations can minimize manual intervention, reduce operational costs, and accelerate time to market for new initiatives. Harnessing the power of AI technologies like machine learning and natural language processing means that organizations can intelligently automate their workflows, allowing IT teams to focus on higher value strategic initiatives. And this results in increased productivity and improved resource utilization across the board. And automation eliminates the risk of human error that's inherent in manual processes, and that leads to higher accuracy and reliability in IT operations. Now, machine learning and data analysis also play a really important role in optimizing IT operations by enabling organizations to extract actionable insights from vast amounts of data. By deploying machine learning algorithms, organizations can actually uncover hidden patterns and correlations within their operational data, enabling more informed decision making and predictive capabilities. And these algorithms continuously learn from new data, allowing IT operations to adapt and evolve in real time. And historical data analysis provides valuable insights into past performance, enabling organizations to identify trends, anomalies, and areas for improvement. In fact, by leveraging that historical data, IT operations can proactively address issues, optimize resource allocation, and enhance their overall efficiency. And machine learning algorithms excel at identifying complex patterns and making accurate predictions based on that historical data. And the integration of machine learning and data analysis enhances the accuracy and performance of IT operations by enabling organizations to make data driven decisions and then automate their repetitive tasks. Predictive maintenance uses machine learning algorithms to analyze sensor data and then predict equipment failures before they occur. Proactively addressing maintenance issues allows organizations to minimize their downtime and optimize their asset performance and extend the lifespan of IT infrastructure. And machine learning algorithms can actually analyze historical data and then identify patterns that are indicative of potential system failures, like we talked about before. And proactively addressing these issues means that organizations can minimize downtime, optimize their resource utilization, and then enhance their overall reliability and performance of IT systems. Now, natural language processing, or NLP, enhances the interaction between IT operations and users, enabling more intuitive and efficient communication. NLP facilitates seamless communication between users and IT systems by enabling machines to understand and interpret human language. And this enhances the overall user experience by providing more intuitive and efficient support mechanisms. And NLP algorithms analyze and interpret human language, allowing IT systems to understand user queries, requests, and feedback much more accurately. And NLP powered chatbots can automate things like customer support processes by understanding and responding to user inquiries in real time. And this not only reduces the burden on human support agents, but also provides users with instant access to information and assistance, leading to faster resolution times and improved satisfaction. By automating routine IT queries and support tasks, NLP powered chatbots can enable organizations to resolve issues quicker and more efficiently, like we just said. And this will result in improved user satisfaction, higher service levels, and a more positive overall experience for end users. And NLP powered chatbots can actually handle a wide range of routine IT queries, including password resets, software installations, and troubleshooting assistance. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, allows organizations to automate rule based tasks, driving efficiency and accuracy in IT operations. RPA software bots can emulate human interactions with digital systems to automate repetitive, rule based tasks. And RPA automates data entry tasks by extracting information from various sources, validating the data accuracy, and then updating systems accordingly. And this reduces the risk of errors associated with manual data entry. It improves data quality and accelerates data processing times. And RPA streamlines report generation processes by automating data collection, analysis, and formatting. And by automating these tasks, organizations can produce reports more quickly and accurately, enabling better decision making and operational transparency. And RPA software bots can monitor IT systems and infrastructure for performance issues, security threats, and other anomalies. Automating system monitoring tasks allows organizations to proactively identify and address issues before they escalate. And lastly, RPA automates the process of deploying software updates and patches across IT infrastructure, ensuring that systems are always up to date and secure. And by automating those types of tasks, organizations can reduce the risk of security vulnerabilities, improve their compliance, and enhance overall system reliability. The integration of cognitive automation aims to replicate human like intelligence in complex decision making processes, particularly in IT operations and cybersecurity. Cognitive automation enables systems to mimic human intelligence, allowing them to analyze complex datasets, recognize patterns, and then make informed decisions autonomously. And this capability is particularly valuable in IT operations for tasks that involve processing unstructured data and require nuanced decision making. Cognitive automation is instrumental in IT operations for tasks that involve processing and understanding that unstructured data. And by that, we mean things like log files, emails, and social media feeds. Leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques allows cognitive automation systems to extract meaningful insights from these sources, enabling more informed decision making and proactive problem solving. And in cybersecurity, cognitive automation plays a really important role in threat detection and response by continuously monitoring network traffic, analyzing system logs, and identifying suspicious activities. And these systems can recognize and respond to security threats autonomously, mitigating risks in real time and enhancing overall cybersecurity postures. Automated customer service exemplifies the application of cognitive automation in streamlining customer interactions and enhancing satisfaction. Automated customer service solutions like chatbots powered by natural language processing or NLP and machine learning streamline the customer service operation by providing instant responses to inquiries and then resolving common issues without human intervention. And chatbots leverage NLP and machine learning algorithms to understand and interpret user queries, enabling them to provide relevant and personalized responses. And automated customer service systems can handle a wide range of customer queries, from product inquiries to troubleshooting assistance, without human involvement. And automating these responses means that organizations can reduce response times and enhance customer satisfaction. So, like I said, automating customer service processes allows organizations to significantly reduce response times, ensuring quick assistance for customers. And this leads to elevated customer satisfaction levels and strengthens brand loyalty. Now, conversational RPA and real time self service solutions can also exemplify the enhancement of IT service desk operations through cognitive automation. Conversational RPA solutions enable users to interact with IT systems using natural language, and that allows for more intuitive and efficient self service experiences. And real time self service solutions empower users to resolve common IT issues autonomously through intuitive interfaces and guided troubleshooting processes, meaning they can do it themselves. And by automating those routine IT tasks and empowering users with that self service capability, then organizations can significantly reduce the workload of human agents in the IT service desk field. This allows IT teams to focus on more complex and strategic initiatives, driving overall productivity and efficiency. Now, while cognitive automation offers lots of benefits, organizations do need to address several challenges and considerations to ensure successful implementation and adoption. It's not going to be all sunshine and rainbows. High quality data is super important for the effectiveness of cognitive automation systems. Organizations need to establish robust data governance practices to ensure data accuracy, completeness, and consistency. And the use of cognitive automation raises ethical and even legal considerations, particularly regarding data privacy, transparency, and accountability. Organizations need to adhere to relevant regulations and standards and implement safeguards to mitigate ethical risk. And the adoption of cognitive automation requires significant organizational change, including upskilling the employees, redefining roles and responsibilities, and promoting a culture of innovation and collaboration. Integrating cognitive automation systems with existing IT infrastructure can also be challenging, particularly in complex and heterogeneous environments. So, organizations need to carefully plan and execute integration efforts to ensure seamless interoperability and minimal disruption. Cognitive automation systems also require ongoing monitoring and maintenance to ensure optimal performance and reliability. And finally, optimizing AI automation workflows involves leveraging a combination of technologies and best practices to maximize efficiency, responsiveness, and proactiveness. Basically, by combining machine learning, natural language processing, robotic process automation, and cognitive automation technologies, organizations can create robust and versatile automation workflows that address a wide range of use cases and business requirements. And optimized AI automation workflows prioritize efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, responsiveness by providing timely and accurate responses to inquiries, and proactiveness by anticipating and mitigating potential issues before they escalate. And AI automation workflows continuously learn from new data and experiences, enabling them to adapt and evolve in response to changing conditions and requirements. and this iterative learning process ensures that automation workflows remain effective and relevant over time. And lastly, to optimize AI automation workflows, organizations need to have a deep understanding of the potential benefits and challenges associated with cognitive automation. Carefully evaluating use cases, identifying opportunities for improvement, and addressing key challenges means that organizations can maximize the value of AI automation in their operations. The integration of AI into IT operations represents a transformative shift, but it comes with its own set of challenges that need to be addressed for seamless integration. For example, the incorporation of AI technologies into IT operations holds the potential to revolutionize processes, enhance efficiency, and drive innovation. However, realizing this potential requires overcoming those challenges associated with integration. And despite the promise of AI automation, organizations can often encounter obstacles along the path to seamless integration. And these challenges can include issues related to data quality, outdated infrastructure, and integration complexities, which can hinder the effectiveness and success of AI initiatives. Now, insufficient or low quality data can undermine the effectiveness of AI automation initiatives and lead to biased, inaccurate, and inconsistent outcomes. Now, insufficient data or low quality data can actually contain inherent biases, and that leads AI models to make skewed predictions or recommendations that simply are not accurate or don't reflect reality. And data that is inaccurate or outdated can also result in flawed analyses and decisions, compromising the reliability and effectiveness of AI driven processes. And inconsistencies in data quality, like missing values or irregular formatting, can hinder the training and performance of AI models, leading to unreliable results. So, what are some solutions for insufficient or low quality data? Well, addressing issues related to insufficient or low quality data requires a proactive approach based on comprehensive data acquisition, cleansing, pre-processing, and even augmentation. Organizations should implement a comprehensive data acquisition strategy to ensure access to diverse, relevant, and high quality data sources that adequately represent the domain of interest. And advanced data cleansing and pre-processing techniques like outlier detection, imputation, and normalization can help to improve the quality and consistency of data for AI model training. And regular updates and expansion of datasets are essential to keep AI models up to date and reflective of evolving trends, patterns, and dynamics within the data. And data augmentation techniques like synthetic data generation and oversampling can be employed to enhance dataset quality and diversity, particularly in scenarios where data scarcity or imbalance is a concern. Now, outdated infrastructure can also impede the performance and compatibility of AI applications, resulting in slow execution and compatibility issues with existing systems. Outdated infrastructure can lack the computational power or resources required to support the efficient execution of AI applications, leading to sluggish performance and suboptimal user experiences. And outdated infrastructure can lack compatibility with modern AI frameworks, libraries, or protocols, making it challenging to deploy and integrate AI applications seamlessly within existing IT ecosystems. Now, to address issues that are stemming from outdated infrastructure, organizations should undertake measures to assess, upgrade, and maintain their IT infrastructure effectively. Organizations should conduct a thorough assessment of all of their IT infrastructure to identify bottlenecks, performance constraints, and compatibility issues that could impede the deployment and operation of AI applications. Transitioning to cloud based solutions can also provide organizations with scalable, flexible, and cost effective infrastructure resources to support the demands of their AI workloads. And utilizing high performance computing resources like graphics processing units or GPUs can significantly accelerate AI model training and inference tasks, enabling organizations to achieve faster and more efficient results. And of course, regular updates and maintenance of software and hardware components is super important to ensure the reliability, security, and compatibility of IT infrastructure with AI applications and workflows. Now, integration challenges may manifest as difficulties in embedding AI tools within existing IT ecosystems and incidents of operational disruptions. Basically, integrating AI tools into existing IT ecosystems can pose challenges related to compatibility, interoperability, and alignment with organizational processes and workflows. Integration challenges can result in operational disruptions like system failures, data inconsistencies, and performance degradation, impacting the reliability and continuity of business operations. So, to overcome integration challenges, organizations should adopt a systematic approach that includes detailed planning, implementation strategies, and testing methodologies. Developing a comprehensive integration plan that outlines objectives, scope, timeline, and resource requirements for integrating AI tools into existing IT ecosystems is essential to ensure a structured and organized approach. And clearly defining the steps and procedures for embedding AI tools within existing IT ecosystems includes data integration, system configuration, and user training, which can all help streamline the integration process and mitigate potential challenges. Now, utilizing middleware platforms or APIs can facilitate seamless communication and interoperability between AI tools and legacy software systems, enabling smooth integration and data exchange. And establishing robust communication channels and protocols between AI systems and legacy software applications is critical to enable data sharing, workflow orchestration, and real time integration. And conducting thorough testing and validation of AI integrations in controlled environments like staging or sandbox environments can help identify and address potential issues before deployment, minimizing the risk of operational disruptions. In this topic, we're going to go over a series of challenges associated with AI implementation. First up is bias. Now, bias problems in AI can manifest in various forms, including racial, gender, and ethnic biases, which can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Racial bias in AI systems occurs when algorithms reflect or perpetuate discriminatory practices against individuals or groups based on their race or ethnicity. Gender bias refers to the tendency of AI algorithms to favor or disadvantage individuals based on their gender identity, leading to unequal treatment or opportunities. And ethnic biases occurs when an AI system exhibits preferences or prejudices towards individuals or communities based specifically on their ethnic background, resulting in disparities or outcomes or experiences. Now, addressing bias problems in AI requires proactive measures that are aimed at detecting, mitigating, and preventing biased outcomes. Algorithmic auditing involves assessing AI systems for biases and fairness using rigorous evaluation methods and metrics to identify and rectify any discriminatory patterns or behaviors. Cross-validation techniques validate AI models using diverse datasets to ensure that they generalize well across different demographic groups and minimize the risk of biased predictions or decisions. And involving diverse teams of experts, including individuals from different racial, gender, and ethnic backgrounds in AI process development, can help to identify and mitigate bias issues from diverse perspectives. Data security and privacy issues in AI can manifest through various indicators, including data breaches and unauthorized access to sensitive information. Now, data breaches involving unauthorized access or disclosure of sensitive information can compromise the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data, leading to significant risks for individuals and organizations. And unauthorized access to sensitive data, like personal or confidential information, can result in privacy violations, identity theft, and even financial fraud, posing serious threats to individuals' privacy and security. Now, to address data security and privacy issues in AI, organizations should adopt a multi layered approach that includes technical controls, policies, and compliance measures. A multi layered security approach combines various security controls like firewalls, intrusion detection systems, encryption, and access controls, all of which can be used to protect data assets from unauthorized access, disclosure, or modification. And firewalls act as barriers between internal networks and external threats, monitoring and filtering network traffic to prevent unauthorized access and protect against cyber attacks. And intrusion detection systems, or IDSs, analyze network traffic and detect suspicious activities or anomalies that are indicative of security breaches. And that enables organizations to respond quickly and mitigate potential threats. And regular vulnerability assessments can identify and remediate security weaknesses and vulnerabilities in IT systems and applications, reducing the risk of exploitation by malicious actors. And role-based access control, or RBAC, restricts access to data and resources based on users' roles, as well as their responsibilities and privileges, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access sensitive information. And compliance with data protection regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, and the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, helps to ensure that organizations adhere to legal and regulatory requirements for safeguarding data privacy and security. Next, a shortage of AI talent can manifest in slow development and implementation of AI initiatives, as well as a lack of innovation in AI strategies and solutions. A lack of skilled AI professionals can actually result in delays in developing and deploying AI solutions, limiting organizations' ability to leverage AI for business innovation and competitive advantages. And without access to a diverse pool of AI talent, organizations can actually struggle to develop innovative AI strategies and solutions that address complex business challenges and drive that transformative change. Now, to address the lack of AI talent, organizations can implement strategies that are aimed at attracting, developing, and retaining skilled professionals in the field of AI. So, collaborating with universities and research institutions can enable organizations to access top tier talent, cutting edge research, and resources to support AI development and innovation. Recruiting recent graduates and researchers with expertise in AI allows organizations to tap into emerging talent and leverage the latest advancements in AI technology and methodologies. Hosting internal hackathons and innovative challenges promotes a culture of creativity, collaboration, and experimentation, encouraging employees to explore AI solutions and develop new skills. Promoting a culture of continuous learning and professional development also encourages employees to acquire new knowledge and skills in AI through training programs, workshops, and certifications. And lastly, offering mentorship programs and career development opportunities in AI enables employees to receive guidance, support, and mentorship from experienced professionals, facilitating their growth and advancements in the field. The high cost of AI integration can actually manifest in lots of different ways, including financial constraints and limited adoption and innovation due to budgetary constraints. So, organizations could encounter financial challenges that are associated with the acquisition, implementation, and maintenance of AI technologies, limiting their ability to invest in AI initiatives and innovation. And the high costs of AI integration can actually hinder organizations' ability to adopt and innovate with AI technologies, restricting their capacity to leverage AI for strategic growth and competitive advantage. So, how do we deal with that? Well, to address the high cost of AI integration, organizations can implement several different strategies. For example, leveraging open source AI tools and platforms can help organizations to minimize upfront costs that are associated with software licenses and development. And forming strategic partnerships with AI technology providers can provide organizations with access to advanced AI solutions, expertise, and resources at a lower cost, enabling them to accelerate AI adoption and innovation. And adopting a modular approach to AI integration allows organizations to implement AI technologies incrementally, focusing on high priority use cases and achieving tangible results while managing costs and risks effectively. Now, legal and ethical concerns surrounding AI can actually manifest through potential legal violations, lack of adherence to best practices, and public distrust in AI systems. The failure to comply with applicable laws, regulations, and standards governing AI usage can expose organizations to legal risks, including fines, lawsuits, and reputational damage. Inadequate adherence to ethical principles and industry best practices in AI development and deployment can also lead to ethical dilemmas, biases, and unintended consequences, undermining trust and credibility in AI systems. And instances of unethical AI practices, privacy violations, or biased algorithms can erode the public trust in AI systems, hindering the widespread adoption and acceptance of AI technologies. Now, to address the legal and ethical concerns associated with AI, organizations need to implement a few important measures. For example, establishing a dedicated team responsible for overseeing AI ethics and compliance initiatives can help organizations to proactively address legal and ethical risks, developing policies and guidelines, and ensure alignment with regulatory requirements and industry standards. And regularly monitoring and evaluating AI systems for ethical implications, biases, and unintended consequences can enable organizations to identify and mitigate those potential risks. Conducting thorough compliance assessments and audits of AI systems helps organizations to identify and rectify non-compliance issues, ensuring adherence to legal and regulatory requirements, and then mitigating legal risks. Offering regular training and education programs on AI ethics, compliance, and best practices to employees, developers, and stakeholders can promote awareness, understanding, and a commitment to ethical AI principles and standards. And implementing transparent data practices like data anonymization, consent management, and data privacy impact can enhance trust and confidence in AI systems by promoting transparency, accountability, and user empowerment. Another challenge deals with the symptoms of overestimating AI capabilities. Overestimating AI capabilities can result in unrealistic expectations, poor decision making, and excessive reliance on AI technologies. Overestimating AI capabilities can lead to unrealistic expectations regarding AI performance, functionality, and impact, resulting in disappointment, disillusionment, and skepticism about AI's potential. And relying too heavily on AI technologies without considering their limitations or context specific factors can lead to poor decision making, suboptimal outcomes, and missed opportunities for human judgment and intervention. And of course, excessive reliance on AI technologies without proper oversight, validation, or human supervision can create dependency issues, operational vulnerabilities, and ethical dilemmas, undermining organizational resilience and adaptability. So, how do we deal with that? Well, creating a roadmap for AI integrations that outlines the realistic goals and timelines and milestones can enable organizations to align AI initiatives with strategic objectives, manage expectations, and track progress effectively. And setting achievable milestones and benchmarks for AI projects can help organizations to gauge progress, identify potential challenges, and course correct as needed. Educating stakeholders, including executives, employees, and customers, on the benefits, limitations, and risks of AI technologies promotes a more informed and realistic understanding of AI's potential and limitations. And balancing AI automation with human oversight and intervention can help organizations to leverage these strengths of both AI and human intelligence, ensuring robustness, reliability, and ethical conduct in decision-making processes. And promoting a culture of balanced decision making that considers both AI driven insights and human judgment promotes critical thinking, creativity, and adaptability. Of course, complexity in AI explainability can manifest through various difficulties as well. Complex AI models and algorithms can produce outputs that are difficult to interpret or explain, making it challenging for users to understand how decisions were even made or predictions were generated. And the complexity of AI systems can obscure the rationale behind their outputs, leading to confusion and skepticism and mistrust. And the lack of transparency, interpretability, and accountability in AI decision-making processes can erode that trust and confidence in AI systems and undermine their acceptance and adoption. So what do we do to deal with AI explainability? Well, deploying explainable AI or XAI frameworks that prioritize transparency, interpretability, and accountability in AI decision-making processes helps organizations to demystify the AI outputs, improve user trust, and promote greater confidence in AI systems. And utilizing visualization tools and techniques like heat maps and feature importance plots and decision trees can help users to visualize and interpret AI outputs. And encouraging open communication and collaboration between AI developers, end users, and stakeholders promotes transparency, trust, and accountability in AI practices. And lastly, facilitating direct interaction and feedback loops between AI developers and end users promotes mutual understanding, empathy, and alignment of expectations, leading to more user centric and interpretable AI solutions. AI ops transforms IT operations decision making by leveraging advanced machine learning algorithms, big data capabilities, and automation tools to streamline processes and enhance efficiency. AI ops incorporates sophisticated machine learning algorithms that analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns, anomalies, and trends, enabling more informed decision making and proactive problem solving in IT operations. Now, with its big data capabilities, AI ops can process and analyze those large volumes of diverse data from various sources, providing valuable insights and actionable intelligence to IT teams for optimizing infrastructure performance and ensuring reliability. And AI ops platforms offer a suite of tools and capabilities that are designed to automate routine tasks, streamline workflows, and improve the overall efficiency and effectiveness of IT operations, allowing teams to focus on strategic initiatives and innovation. Now, AI Ops revolutionizes IT management by harnessing analytical capabilities, leveraging the dynamic nature of IT operations, and making sense of vast amounts of processed data to predict outcomes and autonomously rectify issues. AI platforms use advanced analytics techniques to analyze and interpret data collected from diverse sources, uncovering insights and trends and patterns that enable IT teams to make informed decisions and make proactive actions to optimize performance and mitigate risks. The dynamic and complex nature of IT management requires agile and adaptive solutions like AI Ops, which can continuously monitor, analyze, and respond to changing conditions and requirements in real time, ensuring resilience and responsiveness in IT operations. And AIOps systems ingest and process vast amounts of data generated by IT infrastructure, applications, and user interactions, leveraging machine learning algorithms to identify correlations, anomalies, and predictive indicators that inform decision making and drive continuous improvement. And by analyzing historical data and recognizing patterns, AI ops platforms can anticipate potential issues, identify optimization opportunities, and recommend proactive measures to prevent downtime, enhance performance, and optimize resource utilization in IT environments. AI ops leverages predictive analytics to forecast future outcomes and trends and events based on that historical data and statistical models, enabling IT teams to anticipate and then proactively address potential issues before they escalate into critical incidents or disruptions. And with its autonomous remediation capabilities, AI ops can autonomously detect, diagnose, and resolve common IT issues and anomalies without human intervention, reducing mean time to resolution and minimizing service disruptions or downtime. Now, the AI ops architecture capitalizes on big data and machine learning technologies to aggregate observational data from various sources, infer improvement, and then automate responses to IT functions. AI ops architecture leverages big data processes and machine learning algorithms to analyze lots of data from disparate sources, extracting those actionable insights and driving continuous improvement in IT operations. In AIOps platforms collect and consolidate observational data from a wide range of sources, including logs and metrics and events and user interactions, to provide a holistic view of IT infrastructure and application performance. Then, applying machine learning techniques means that AI ops systems can infer patterns, correlations, and anomalies from observational data, enabling proactive problem identification, root cause analysis, and optimization of IT operations. And AIOps architecture integrates with IT management tools and automation frameworks to automate responses to detect issues, trigger remediation actions, and optimize resource allocation based on predictive analytics and predefined policies. The AI ops architecture works pretty seamlessly with disparate data sources. It handles immense data volumes, it manages the variety of data in modern IT environments, and it acts as a central point for data collection and analysis. AI ops architecture supports integration with diverse data sources. As I mentioned already, that includes logs, metrics, traces, events, and even external feeds. And that enables comprehensive monitoring, analysis, and correlation of IT performance and operational data. And AI ops platforms are designed to handle large volumes of data generated by IT systems and applications, leveraging scalable infrastructure and distributed computing technologies to process, store, and analyze those massive data sets in real time. And modern IT environments can generate a wide variety of data types, formats, and structures, including structured, semi structured, and unstructured data. AIOps architecture accommodates this diversity and flexibility, ensuring compatibility and interoperability with different data sources and formats. And AIOps architectures aggregate and funnel observational data into a centralized data repository or data lake, where it's stored, indexed, and analyzed using advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms to derive those actionable insights and drive decision making. And lastly, AI ops architecture serves as a central hub for data collection, processing, and analysis, providing a unified view of IT operations and performance metrics across the entire infrastructure, applications, and service stack. And this centralized approach enables holistic monitoring, troubleshooting, and optimization of IT environments. In today's data-driven world, the journey from raw data to informed decisions is going to be facilitated by various AI and IT automation techniques. Leveraging algorithms to analyze data and extract meaningful insights allows organizations to make data-driven decisions. Pattern matching is about identifying recurring patterns within datasets to recognize trends, anomalies, or similarities, aiding in predictive analysis and anomaly detection. Natural language processing, or NLP, enables machines to understand and interpret human language, facilitating communication and interaction between systems and users. Correlation establishes relationship between different data points or events to uncover underlying connections or dependencies, enhancing decision-making processes. Anomaly detection is about identifying outliers or irregularities within datasets that deviate from expected behavior, signaling potential issues or opportunities for further investigation. And series of insights is about providing a continuous stream of actionable insights derived from ongoing data analysis, empowering organizations to stay informed and agile in dynamic environments. Automated responses are about implementing predefined actions or workflows triggered by specific events or conditions detected within the data, enabling real-time responses and proactive problem solving. And timely and accurate simply means ensuring that insights and responses are delivered quickly and with precision, minimizing delays and errors in decision-making processes. Now, efficient decision-making relies on the ability to filter out noise and gain a clear, comprehensive view of the IT landscape. For example, noise reduction capabilities is about utilizing advanced algorithms and filters to distinguish between relevant signals and irrelevant noise in data streams, reducing cognitive overload and enhancing decision quality. A unified view of an IT environment is about integrating data from disparate sources and systems into a centralized platform or dashboard, providing stakeholders with a holistic understanding of the IT infrastructure status and performance. And of course, we want to eliminate information silos. And what that means is breaking down barriers between different departments or systems to ensure seamless data flow and collaboration, promoting synergy and alignment in decision-making processes. And organizations need to have a contextualized understanding of system health. And that means analyzing data within the context of the broader IT ecosystem and business objectives, enabling stakeholders to prioritize actions based on strategic relevance and impact. Organizations also need to identify and prioritize critical events or incidents that require immediate attention or intervention, minimize their downtime, and mitigate potential disruptions. And of course, we do want reduced false alarms, which means implementing machine learning algorithms and statistical models to differentiate between genuine threats and false positives, minimizing unnecessary alerts and distractions. Harnessing the power of AI in IT automation provides organizations with a strategic advantage in optimizing IT operations and delivering superior service. And that brings us to proactive problem management, which is about anticipating and addressing potential issues before they escalate into major disruptions or even failures, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. And organizations need to optimize resource utilization and allocation based on real time data and predictive analytics. And that will ensure that resources are allocated where they're most needed to support business objectives. And of course, streamlining incident response and resolution processes through automation and intelligent workflows is super important. It reduces the mean time to resolution, or MTTR, and it enhances service levels. AI and IT automation offer practical solutions to common challenges that are faced by IT operations teams, with lots of use cases across various industries. For example, we need to have intelligent alert monitoring, and that means automatically triaging and prioritizing alerts based on their severity and business impact. And that can enable IT teams to focus their attention on the most critical issues first. It's also highly valuable to have automated root cause analysis. And that means identifying the underlying causes of IT incidences or outages and then recommending appropriate remediation actions, reducing manual effort and accelerating problem resolution. And integrated IT process automation is super important for most IT teams. It's a great use case. That means orchestrating end to end IT processes from incident detection all the way through to resolution, through automated workflows and integrations with existing systems and tools. And that brings us to adopting AI ops. Embracing AI ops offers organizations lots of benefits, including operational agility, scalability, and flexibility across diverse environments. Operational agility and resilience means responding quickly to changing business demands and market conditions by leveraging AI driven insights and automation capabilities to adapt and optimize IT operations. And scalability and adaptability means scaling IT operations seamlessly to accommodate growth and evolving business needs, whether on premises or in the cloud. And deployment across various environments is about flexibility. And that means flexibly deploying AI ops solutions across hybrid or multi cloud environments. And that ensures consistent performance and functionality regardless of the infrastructure that you're using. AI ops represents a paradigm shift in how IT operations are managed and optimized, offering transformative benefits for organizations. You see, it provides significant analysis of AI automation data. And that means leveraging advanced analytics and machine learning to extract valuable insights from lots of data that's generated by IT systems and processes. It also increases efficiency and the speed of routine operational tasks, which is about automating repetitive tasks and workflows, freeing up valuable time and resources for higher value activities and strategic initiatives. It also offers predictive capabilities to forecast potential issues or opportunities based on historical data and trend analysis, and that enables proactive decision making and risk mitigation. And of course, it equips IT teams with the tools and capabilities needed to effectively monitor, manage, and optimize complex, dynamic IT environments. And it even helps with streamlining processes, reducing manual effort, and improving overall operational efficiency, which can lead to cost savings and enhanced productivity. And finally, one more benefit is empowering organizations to innovate and evolve their IT operations to meet changing business requirements and drive long term success. Continuous improvement in AI automation goes beyond initial implementation, focusing on the ongoing enhancement and refinement of AI systems. Continuous improvement transcends mere implementation by embracing the perpetual enhancements of AI systems, ensuring that they evolve to meet changing business needs and technological advancements. And the focus is on strategies and methodologies that drive continuous improvement in AI automation, emphasizing iterative deployment, development, and feedback mechanisms, and a commitment to excellence. Now, promoting a culture of continuous learning is super important for staying ahead in the rapidly evolving field of AI and automation. Staff is encouraged to regularly update their knowledge and skills, promoting a culture of curiosity, innovation, and personal development among employees. And AI and related domains like data analytics and machine learning are encouraged, recognizing their pivotal role in driving organizational success and competitiveness in this digital age. And that means workshops, webinars, conferences, or certifications are also promoted, providing employees with opportunities to stay abreast of the latest trends and technologies and best practices. A willingness to learn new technologies should also be rewarded, incentivizing employees to invest in their professional growth and adapt to emerging tools and methodologies. And incentives for ongoing education and opportunities to apply new skills should be provided, reinforcing the value of continuous learning and providing tangible rewards for skill acquisition and application. Optimizing AI systems through data-driven approaches is obviously going to be important for achieving superior performance and accuracy. Ensuring that AI models are trained on high-quality, relevant data sets can improve their predictive capabilities and decision-making accuracy. Regularly auditing and cleansing data to improve inconsistencies, errors, or biases is also a good strategy to prevent the undermining of the effectiveness of AI models. Adopting agile methodologies to iterate and refine AI models quickly in response to changing datasets or business requirements can ensure their continued relevance and effectiveness. Incorporating new and diverse data sources can enrich AI models and enhance their ability to generalize and adapt to novel scenarios. And enhancing the predictive accuracy of AI models through continuous optimization and fine-tuning based on real-world feedback can help with performance metrics. And you can get improved decision-making by empowering organizations to make more informed and strategic decisions by leveraging AI-driven insights derived from optimized and refined models. Now, feedback loops and iterative refinement mechanisms are really important for continuously enhancing AI systems. For example, you can automate human feedback, which means collecting feedback from both automated monitoring systems and human users to identify areas for improvement and inform iterative refinement efforts. Alignment with business goals means ensuring that AI development efforts are aligned with overarching business objectives and priorities to drive meaningful outcomes and value creation. Analyzing performance metrics and usage data can help identify patterns, trends, and opportunities for optimization and enhancement. Soliciting feedback from users and stakeholders, surveys and interviews and error reporting mechanisms can help you gain insights into user experiences and pain points. Iteratively refining AI models based on feedback and performance data can enhance their accuracy, reliability, and relevance over time. And employing iterative algorithms and optimization techniques can help to continuously improve the performance and efficiency of AI models in real-world applications. And developing AI models that can adapt and learn from new data and experiences can help enable them to evolve and improve their performance autonomously over time. Now, collaborative development with cross-functional teams promotes innovation and ensures alignment with business objectives. So let's talk about interdepartmental synergy. Now, that's about promoting collaboration and knowledge sharing across different departments and teams to leverage their diverse perspectives and expertise and resources in AI development efforts. Aligning AI development initiatives with broader business goals and strategies can help ensure that AI solutions deliver tangible value and address critical business challenges. Encouraging creative thinking and experimentation with cross-functional teams can help with the exploration of new ideas and approaches and opportunities for AI applications and solutions. And identifying and exploring new use cases and applications for AI technology through collaboration and brainstorming sessions is a really good idea for cross-functional teams as it helps them to be more collaborative and work together on new solutions. Automating AI system updates can streamline maintenance processes and enhance operational efficiency. Automating the deployment, monitoring, and updating of AI models can help ensure their effectiveness and accuracy over time. Continuously monitoring and evaluating the performance and effectiveness of AI models can help identify opportunities for improvement and optimization. Minimizing manual intervention and administrative tasks associated with AI system maintenance can help free up resources for more strategic activities. And enabling IT staff to focus on more high value tasks and initiatives is done through automating routine maintenance and activities and system updates. Now, proactive problem solving and preventative maintenance strategies can help to mitigate more risks and enhance system reliability. Leveraging predictive analytics and monitoring tools can help identify potential issues or anomalies before they escalate into major problems or disruptions. Analyzing historical data and performance metrics to forecast potential issues or trends and proactively address them before they impede interactions can help with predictive analytics. And conducting regular diagnostic checks and health assessments of AI systems is really useful for identifying underlying issues or areas for optimization. Establishing standardized maintenance protocols and procedures is useful for ensuring that AI systems are kept up to date, secure, and perform optimally. And of course, implementing proactive measures and preventative maintenance strategies can help minimize downtime, service interruptions, and other disruptions. Now, continuous monitoring and performance metrics are really important for tracking progress and driving ongoing improvement. Establishing key performance indicators, or KPIs, and benchmarks to measure the success and effectiveness of AI systems helps with predefined objectives and targets. Basically, it helps you with your benchmarks for success. Ensuring that performance metrics and monitoring efforts are aligned with overarching business goals and priorities can drive strategic alignment and value creation. Continuously monitoring and evaluating the performance, reliability, and efficiency of AI systems can help with identifying areas for improvement and optimization. And proactively identifying deviations from expected performance or behavior and then taking corrective action can help with addressing them before they impact operations or outcomes. And making real-time adjustments and optimizations to AI systems based on performance data, user feedback, and changing business requirements is ideal for any sort of real-time adjustments that you need to make. And iteratively refining and enhancing AI systems over time can help to address evolving needs in technologies and market dynamics, ensuring their continued relevance and effectiveness. And finally, continuous improvement in AI automation is really important for staying competitive and driving innovation in modern IT operations. The development of strategies for continuous improvement in AI automation is a dynamic and integral aspect of modern IT operations, requiring a proactive approach to innovation, collaboration, and performance automation. And by adopting these strategies, organizations can ensure that their AI systems are efficient, effective, and adaptive to evolving business needs and technological advancements, positioning them well for sustained success and a competitive advantage. Keeping abreast of AI automation trends is really important for organizations that are aiming to remain competitive and efficient in a rapidly evolving landscape. Recognizing that AI automation is continuously advancing with new capabilities and applications and emerging regularly is important. It's also important to understand the profound impact that AI automation can have on enhancing competitiveness and operational efficiency within organizations. Another reason to stay informed is acknowledging the potential for AI automation to drive significant improvements in various aspects of business operations, from cost reduction to revenue growth. We can also leverage insights from AI automation trends to gain a strategic advantage over competitors and position their organization for long-term success. Another reason to stay informed is ensuring that AI automation initiatives are closely aligned with your broader business objectives and priorities to maximize their impact and value on your organization. You also need to recognize that AI automation is a catalyst for organizational growth, digital transformation, and value creation across different industries and sectors. Now, various resources can help individuals and organizations to stay informed about the latest developments in AI automation. For example, reading articles authored by recognized experts in the field of AI and automation can help with gaining insights into emerging trends, technologies, and best practices. Also, subscribing to newsletters and blogs that focuses on AI automation topics to achieve regular updates and analysis from thought leaders and practitioners. You can use tools like Metricool and monitor industry conversations, track competitor activities, and discover trending topics based on AI automation across social media platforms. Basically, Metricool is a really good tool for being able to consolidate information across the various social media platforms. You can also attend industry conferences, seminars, and events to network with peers, learn from experts, and stay up to date on the latest trends and innovations in AI automation. Exploring digital media resources like podcasts, webinars, and online courses that cover a wide range of AI automation topics and insights can also be valuable. You can also curate and organize knowledge resources related to AI automation in a centralized repository or knowledge management system for easy access and reference later. Organizations can also participate in online forums and discussion groups that are dedicated to AI and automation topics to share knowledge, ask questions, and engage with the community. Following news outlets and publications that cover AI automation developments and case studies can help stay informed about real-world applications and impact. And enrolling in online learning platforms and courses that offer training and certification programs in AI and automation technologies can help deepen knowledge and skills. Now, reading articles and blogs authored by industry experts offers valuable insights and perspectives on AI automation trends. Exposing yourself to a diverse range of viewpoints and opinions from industry experts helps in developing a well-rounded understanding of AI automation trends and challenges. Learning about different use cases and applications of AI automation across various industries and domains can help broaden one's knowledge and inspires innovative thinking. Subscribing to newsletters and blogs focused on AI automation ensures regular updates on the latest trends and insights. So keeping abreast of trending topics and discussions in the field of AI automation through curated newsletters and blog posts helps you to keep abreast of what's trending. You can also explore case studies and examples of how AI is being used to automate complex business processes and workflows for increased efficiency and productivity. And you can also learn about strategies and best practices for maximizing the benefits of AI automation across different organizational functions and departments. Now, using social media management tools like Metricool, as I mentioned before, provides valuable insights and analytics for monitoring AI automation trends. Metricool can help with tracking industry conversations and competitor activities related to AI automation on social media platforms to stay informed about market trends and developments. It can also help with accessing aggregated content from multiple social media platforms in a single dashboard for streamlined monitoring and analysis. Analyzing engagement metrics like likes and shares and comments can help to gauge the effectiveness of AI automation related content and identify areas for improvement. Metricool also measures key performance indicators or KPIs like reach, impressions, and engagement rate to assess the impact and effectiveness of AI automation related social media activity. And identifying trending topics and strategic insights related to AI automation through social media monitoring and analysis can help with informed decision making and content planning. Now, lastly, Google Alerts is another useful tool for staying updated on AI automation trends and developments. Setting up Google Alerts can help with receiving notifications about new web content that matches specific search terms related to AI automation. And configuring Google Alerts to send customized notifications via email or RSS feeds based on user-defined criteria and preferences can help you know when something important has popped up. It can also help with real-time updates. Basically, that means receiving real-time updates and alerts about the latest news, articles, and blog posts related to AI automation for timely insights and analysis. And lastly, accessing a wide range of online sources and publications through Google Alerts can help you stay informed about diverse perspectives and viewpoints on AI automation topics. Attending conferences and events is a valuable way to stay updated on the latest developments of AI and automation while also networking with industry professionals. Conferences and events provide opportunities to help you learn about cutting edge technologies, trends, and innovations in the field of AI and automation through keynote presentations, panel discussions, and workshops. And these gatherings offer a platform to connect with peers, experts, and thought leaders, promoting collaboration, partnership, and knowledge exchange. And digital media resources offer a wealth of educational content on AI and automation in various formats. Podcasts feature interviews, discussions, and insights from industry experts and practitioners on topics related to AI and automation. Live or recorded online seminars covering a wide range of AI and automation topics often feature subject matter experts as presenters. And YouTube video content on AI and automation, including tutorials, demonstrations, and thought leadership presentations from industry leaders, can be an invaluable resource. And audio versions of articles, blogs, and other written content allow for convenient consumption and information on the go. And platforms that host recorded webinars and virtual events can enable access to informative sessions on demand. And Harpa AI is an online platform offering educational resources, courses, and webinars focused on AI, machine learning, and automation. Now, organizing and centralizing knowledge resources facilitates easy access and reference to relevant information on AI and automation. Compiling educational materials like articles, books, white papers, and research papers on AI and automation is ideal for easy reference and study. And taking and organizing notes from conferences, events, webinars, and other learning experiences helps to capture key insights and learnings. And it's also a good idea to create and organize documents containing best practices, case studies, and implementation guidelines related to AI and automation activities. And bringing together various knowledge resources into a centralized repository or knowledge management system allows for efficient access and sharing later on. Engaging with social media and online forums provides real-time updates and opportunities for community discussions on AI and automation topics. Following relevant social media accounts and online forums can help you to receive instant updates on news, trends, and events in the AI and automation space. And another strategy is simply to participate in discussions, sharing insights, and exchanging ideas with peers, experts, and enthusiasts in online communities dedicated to AI and automation. Now, keeping up to date on news stories from industry news websites, tech blogs, and other online publications is really important for staying informed about AI and automation developments. Regularly visiting reputable industry news websites that cover AI and automation topics helps you to stay informed on the latest developments, announcements, and trends. Following blogs that are authored by industry experts and thought leaders in AI and automation allows people to gain insights into emerging technologies, use cases, and best practices. And exploring a variety of online publications that publish articles, reports, and analysis on AI and automation-related topics is good for gaining diverse perspectives and insights. And finally, leveraging learning platforms like Skillsoft provides structured learning paths and a range of topics for acquiring knowledge and skills in AI and automation. Accessing curated learning paths and courses that are designed to help with providing a systematic and comprehensive education on AI, machine learning, and automation is ideal. And it's a good idea to explore a wide range of topics within the realm of AI and automation, including fundamentals, advanced concepts, industry applications, and best practices. Another advantage of Skillsoft is learning at your own pace and on your own schedule, with flexible access to course materials and resources from anywhere with an internet connection. And interactive and engaging content helps you to engage with interactive learning modules, simulations, quizzes, and hands-on exercises to reinforce learning and retention. And obtaining certifications and badges helps you to demonstrate your proficiency and expertise in AI and automation technologies, enhancing career prospects and professional credibility. Also, accessing up-to-date content and resources curated by experts ensures alignment with current industry trends, technologies, and best practices. And platforms like Skillsoft also allow for connecting with peers, instructors, and industry professionals through online forums, discussion boards, and networking events hosted by the learning platform. And lastly, you can employ custom learning solutions tailored to the specific needs and objectives of organizations, including personalized content, learning paths, and reporting capabilities. In this demo, we're going to go over the integration of AI tools in IT operations for effective automation. To do that, we're going to use the tool called Make. Now, earlier on in this course, we demonstrated Make and the various features and tools that it has built in. Make is an AI automation tool that allows us to connect with various types of applications and then perform various workflow automations. So in this demo, what we're going to do is we're going to create a workflow automation, a very simple one, just to see what that might look like. And of course, you can imagine a much more complex workflow automation. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Scenarios option in the left-hand menu. Perfect. In the Scenarios section, we can see all of the scenarios that we've defined within Make. Now, in my particular case, I don't have any scenarios defined. But what is a scenario? Well, a scenario is the workflow. It's the automation that you are creating. Now, this automation can do just about anything. You can have it pull emails from Gmail, categorize them, and then put them somewhere else. Or you can pull emails again from Gmail, but forward them to another email account, or perhaps have some summarization that occurs using natural language processing. It doesn't have to be about emails either. You can have it connect to Google Calendars, or you can have it connect to Facebook or Telegram or any other type of service. Now, what we're going to do in this particular demo is we're going to do something really simple. What we're going to do is we're going to create a workflow that simply pulls JSON out of a website of some kind. So to do that, let's start by clicking on Templates in the left-hand menu. Perfect. Now, in the Templates section, we can see a list of templates that Make provides by default. These are public templates. And as we scroll through, we can see all kinds of different templates that exist. And these are the workflows. So as an example, you can see that there's a template that allows us to pull emails, do some iteration, and then ultimately send it to an FTP site. We can talk to Facebook, we can talk to Trello, we can talk to Google Calendar, and we can even talk to Telegram. And if we scroll down, we can see all kinds of other templates. Now, what we want to do in this particular demo is something really simple, just to demonstrate that we can, in fact, execute a workflow. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down until we find the template that parses JSON from an HTTP request. And here we go. So let's go ahead and click on that. Excellent. So now we're being shown details about that particular template. We can see on the left-hand side of the screen a description of the template, and on the right-hand side of the screen, an actual visualization of the template. So if we were to decide to create an automation workflow from this template, what we would be doing is connecting to an HTTP website and pulling JSON out of that website. Then we would parse that JSON into an actual JSON document. Now you can imagine a workflow that would then take that JSON document and perform some other action, but that's outside the scope of this demo. I think what we need to do for this demo is simply demonstrate that we can in fact create a workflow and execute it. So let's go ahead and click on the Start Guided Setup button on the left-hand side of the screen. Perfect. Now we're being shown the next step in our guided workflow creation process. The first step in our workflow is to connect to an HTTP website. Now here we're being asked to provide the URL that we need to connect to. And there's a default URL that's in the template already. In fact, let's see what that looks like. All we're going to do is we're going to take that URL and we're going to copy it. We're going to open up a new tab and then we're going to go to that address. Perfect. And you can see on our screen that it's a very simple JSON document that's coming back from that website. Now, technically, it's not JSON, it's an HTML website that happens to look like JSON. So let's go ahead and go back to our make workflow. And we now know that what we're going to get back is actually JSON, and it's what we want to parse. So let's go ahead and click Continue at the bottom of that dialog. Perfect. Now the next step in the workflow is, of course, to take that HTTP response and turn it into an actual JSON object. So in this particular case, we're going to take that JSON object and we're going to put it into a data object. So that's really all we need to do in there. So let's go ahead and click Continue. Perfect. Now at this point, we've created our workflow and we're ready to go. So what's the next steps? Well, we have a couple of different steps. We can run the scenario right now and see what happens, or we can schedule the scenario. So imagine that the HTTP website that we're connecting to has a different response on a periodic basis. So perhaps we want to create a schedule that executes against that HTTP website every so often because it's maybe getting new data. And a good example of that would be perhaps a weather API. Obviously, the weather changes, so perhaps we have a scheduled scenario that goes and collects weather details every 15 minutes or every hour or something like that. Now, in this particular case, we know that we have a static JSON value that we're collecting from that HTTP site, so let's just go ahead and run our scenario. So to do that, we're going to click on Run Your Scenario. Perfect. So now this scenario is executing. So let's give it a second to do that. Perfect. It was very quick, which is exactly what we would expect because there really wasn't much to do there. So how do we know that it worked? Well, at the bottom of the screen, we can see some information, a log output of what happened. And it says that the request was accepted, it says that the request was initialized, finalized, and then ultimately completed. So we know that it's good, there was no errors, and everything happened. But what was the output? Well, in the middle of the screen, we can see a visualization of our workflow. There's the HTTP object and the JSON object, and both are green with a checkbox. So above our JSON object, you'll notice that there is an icon with the number 1 in it. So let's go ahead and click on that and see what it tells us. Perfect. So now we're getting a dialog that shows us the output of that particular operation in our workflow. And you can see that in this particular case, it collected the JSON string greeting hello, and then it created a JSON object that has greeting hello. And that's exactly what we would expect, and it's doing exactly what we told it to. So there you have it. In this demo, we used Make as an AI automation workflow tool to create a workflow that performs an operation. Great job! So in this course, we've examined the integration points of AI automation with IT operations. And we did this by exploring IT operation AI workflows, tools, and automation software, AI automation and scalability in operations, performing IT operations and troubleshooting AI automation issues, decision-making using AI automation data, continuous improvement strategies, and monitoring AI automation trends and integrating AI tools. In our next course, we'll move on to explore how AI-powered scripts are used to enhance IT support and SRE operations and tasks such as server monitoring and log analysis.